Introducing Atom XL, the redefined rugged 4G smartphone, your ultimate portable outdoor companion. Featuring a 48MP camera and a DMR walkie-talkie function. 2 years ago, we successfully thrilled the Kickstarter community by launching Atom, the smallest 4G rugged smartphone. We did not let down our backers, and since then have received a lot of positive feedback and new inspirations from our users. We listened carefully, and now we are back with upgraded performance and features. The Atom XL is a solid and powerful phone in a handy size with military-grade protection. Dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. Capture your best moments with a simple click. A 48MP camera allows you to take stunning photos and videos in any situation, even underwater. The 4-inch screen size makes the Atom XL a perfect handheld smartphone that suits your everyday life. But mainly it's designed for action and adventure lovers, durable and reliable in a variety of extreme environments. The phone features a comprehensive and updated GPS system, perfect for navigation, and with the built-in air pressure sensor, you can easily measure your altitude anytime. You won't get lost, and if you reach areas without network coverage, you can use the DMR walkie-talkie function. With a longer-lasting 4300 mAh battery and an extremely efficient power management system, you can use the Atom XL for up to 3 days with no recharge. The upgraded CPU and memory will improve the smartphone's performance significantly. The Atom XL is a strong, powerful, resistant, and reliable smartphone. So please support us and start your next adventure with the Atom XL.
Do you have any experience of being embarrassed by the unexpected weather? The weather influences our lives a lot. Let me introduce your kind own weather forecaster, Weathery, to help you with your discomfort. When you wake up in the morning, don't you check the weather out of the window first? Weathery is a small, slim product that can be placed by bedside, dressing table, front door, and so on. It indicates intuitively clothes and items for today's weather through icon display. You no longer have to shiver outside wearing thin clothes on cold days. Weathery will make your morning simple. How about your morning getting ready for work? Weathery will inform you the weather today in your sight. Because you can put it on and attach it anywhere, you can place it on anywhere you can see it. On rainy days, umbrellas are displayed. And on days with strong UV rays, sunglasses are displayed. Very light as 50 grams and very thin as 9 millimeters, motivated by pebbles. Weathery can be set the sensitivity according to temperature for me. You can set the sensitivity if you feel the heat more or feel the cold more, and receive weather information that is optimized for you. We can set up the time when updates the weather, but also an area. Weathery will be a part of your life. Check out the weather that Weathery informs you. You don't have to worry about sudden rain. Your life will be more valuable. Place Weathery in your sight. You can go out in a good mood. Always with Weathery.
The onboard diagnostics or OBD2 port is found on all modern vehicles. Normally used by mechanics to diagnose and clear fault codes. SmartStick is a small device that stays connected to this port and connects your smartphone in real time to the vehicle's computer, giving the user access to a range of features usually only found on expensive professional diagnostic scanners. We had a clear vision from the start. We wanted SmartStick to integrate seamlessly and become an extension of our driving experience. Like other leading brands, SmartStick is able to perform a full diagnostic scan of your vehicle, as well as identify and clear fault codes. However, what makes SmartStick different is that it automatically does this full health scan every time you drive your vehicle, in the background, without the need to open the app. SmartStick will alert you of any mechanical issues or faults and generate a detailed report with causes, fixes, and whether it's safe to continue driving with that fault. It also records detailed data from every trip and keeps track of any maintenance requirements. Information is uploaded to the app and you get notifications of any required actions. The device itself has its own internal storage, ensuring you never miss a trip, even if someone else drives your car. Record vehicle expenses, view trip details, classify trips as business or personal use, and generate comprehensive usage and expense reports for any period. Having the app work in the background and offering continuous monitoring is a first in OBD technology. But we took it a step further. With SmartStick's new family feature, you can now monitor every vehicle in your family, seamlessly, remotely, without any action required. View the family snapshot to see the current status on all vehicles, or click on a family member to see current health status, trip details, maintenance requirements, driving habits, and even location if you have this feature enabled. We believe SmartStick is a groundbreaking product and one that will have a major impact on our driving experience, enhancing safety, saving you money, and helping you monitor every aspect of your vehicles.
The Rocketbook Orbit, and it flips the page to the digital age. The Orbit uses Rocketbook technology, which allows you to write, scan, erase, and reuse your notes like other Rocketbook notebooks. But with the Orbit, you can also flip, flop, and swap your pages out whenever you want. Here's how it works. Write on the pages using any pen from the Pilot Friction line. Friction ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use the pages over and over and over. Orbit page packs snap into the binding using magnetic force, so you can flip to the next page and keep things tidy. Or reverse the page pack over to switch from lines to dot grid. You can even swap in a whole new page pack so you always have the right pages for the right job. With multiple page packs and patterns to choose from, it's like magic making for your note-taking. The Rocketbook Orbit also works with the Rocketbook app in an amazing new way. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud services, perfectly organized and named the way you want. On the top of each Orbit page is a title bar, which the app sees and translates your handwriting into the file name. And on the bottom of each page are 7 symbols, which you can configure in the Rocketbook app. You can assign each symbol to a location within Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, or many more services. So you can name your algebra notes and send it right to your math folder on Google Drive. Or name your meeting notes and blast them right to your shared team folder on Dropbox. Launch your next big idea with a blank sheet. With the Orbit, you can flip the page to the digital age. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook. This is
Get involved. Back to project today on Kickstarter for the Ultralight Solar Power Gem. It's ultralight, comes with 2 USB-C PD outlets, charges 2 devices at once. Scratch-proof and shock-proof Ultralight Solar Power Gem. Up to 16,000 capacity. 4 different LED light modes: strobe, weak, SOS, and slow blink. Also a UV detector light, and it's environmental friendly. Become an early bird, get an exclusive discount. The Ultralight Solar Power Gem on Kickstarter. Yours is waiting for you.